we doing looking for a treasure, and our ladies we find it and we doing an adventure. About the pencil. It's about the pencil. Do the ABC, the S, and the 1, 2, 3 S. It's the pencil. It's about the pencil. Set us out. It's to break the pencil. And Merry Christmas, everybody. A day we open the toys. But now we will do this a one treasure chest, and we will do bands, and this will be super duper fun. So let's go. Treasure. Okay, open it.
Yes, go ahead, baby.
Okay, let's open it. Treasure. We got one treasure. Yeah. It's a tape and can open it, guys. Yeah. We opened it by, this is teamwork. Teamwork makes it teamwork. There's some mysteries in here. Yeah. Let's find it out. Let's find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Found one. Whoa. Okay, I found one. Can you open one? I found one. Oh, open it?
Yes, go ahead and open it. You can
Let's open it.
Or you need me to cut it?
Yes, ma'am. Guys, there are 8 mysteries. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's open the first one in here. Putty! Or something else. Pick the first one right here.
Awesome. It is putty.
Now, there are next one. So say we're next one. It one now. Coins! Right coins! No way!
Awesome.
There are no 2 line coins. This is cool, my day.
Awesome, dude.
Now, it's my number 3 now.
Good job.
Then, whoa! Why pirate? Why pirate? Why a pirate? Yes!
Awesome.
Now in the next one, let's Whoa. Cool. Maybe this will boat. Oh, thanks, Ben. Maybe that mine. Whoa, so this. Hey, though. Let's put it in here.
Oh, there's something else in here.
Huh?
There's something else in here. What is that?
A key for this to a lock. Okay, so nobody get in it. Oh, Ben. Nobody can get my treasure chest. Top Panda friend. That's Top Panda my friend. My friend is Tom Panda.
Cool. Cool, cool,
Let's
cool.
see what it is. Whoa! He did to night to see. He got the saucer. There you go. That is key. Well, now we must stop by. Oh, that's another key. These keys. Whoa! Daddy! No! I am.
Awesome.
How do this? How do
Like
this
that. That's
one,
like that. All right, you do it on your head, I think. Like,
That's some treasure. Thanks, Day.
How's it look? On the end,
oh, you're smart. Yeah, look at that. Okay.
Now I'm a pirate.
What's a pirate say?
Oh, maybe. Eye. That's my eye. Hey, pirate. Now I'm ready for adventures. Hey. Thanks, Day. Here you go. I'm a pirate.
Say arr,
Arr.
arr.
Arr. Oh, something in you. Why it's so? I didn't know this. On my iPod on your town. Cool. This my cat. I like that. My cat.
Oh, awesome.
Go at the next one. This is my friend again. Yeah, but not the friends. There you go. Last one. Gus! That's Gus! Now, let's check what on here for key. Let's unlock the treasure chest. Oh, that's how you just got it. Something's not here! I got the bow! Ladies! Boat! That's my bow!
Awesome.
Whoa, last one. I got 9 of these. Can you cut this open?
Yes, baby.
Let's see what in here. I'm so excited.
Cool. Awesome.
4 keys. I got 3 keys.
Really?
That's not the keys.
It's keys, baby.
That's a
lot of keys.
not key. Diagram. Last one I got 9 bags. And what's in there? Thanks, Mommy. Why, Dang.
Awesome.
Why chopped?
Yeah, you're supposed to dig and discover a treasure inside of this.
Is there a treasure in you?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
It's awesome.
We need to do it that side. Oh, babies, that was cool right now. Let's try my bow. I have the key, so nobody can get in here. Let me pick my stuff. And not coins. Coins be out. All made these. Ain't not this. So nobody be in here. I made these, guys. We sever my word.
Turn this way so we can see you. Yeah, there we go.
Enter my bait the bench show. So see you later. Bye.
Say bye, Ben. Good job.
That's a good one. Like caramel trues.
What do you think about it?
Good. I feel good.
You like it?
Don't forget this. For it.
Use this key. You got 3 keys. Use it to open this. Try to open this, baby.
Open them. The nursery.
You got like 3 keys, you said.
Let's say rock.
Where's your other 2 keys?
It's in here.
Pull them out.
My keys. They lock.
I don't know if it opens, but oh, it does.
Whoa! Now I am a pirate. Oh, mateys! Oh, mateys! Can somebody put this on?
You got it. There it goes. You have too much stuff in
go.
your hands.
Oh, mateys! Yeah, that's my coins! Daddy!
Cool, dude.
My key.
Yeah, you got too much in your
Thanks,
hands. Now.
big pirate. Thanks, pirate. Oh, please! Let's put my... That ain't not my treasure chest, so nobody get in it. Break treasure chest.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Treasure chest.
We should try that me. It's a break the bench show. So I have my key. You did ain't rocked it. The spin ain't rocked it. Like Ben and my day. Nobody
Okay.
else.
Okay, baby, we'll unlock it. That's cool. Awesome job, boys.
Okay. Please
Cool.
like first try. You like my coins?
Yes.
Like have a lot of coins.
Cool, we like them.
Thanks. It's about the pencil. It's about the pencil. Do the ABC, the S, and the 1, 2, 3 S. It's the pencil. It's about the pencil. Set us out.